Easy Ways to Make Money 2020. Here, we round up 9 simple ways that you can make money in 2020. Make sure you're keeping as much as possible of your newfound gains with our guide to saving money. 1. Boost your savings rate. While interest rates on savings accounts are lackluster across the board, there is still a big difference between the best and worst accounts on the market. You can use the Which Savings Booster tool to find out how much more interest you could be earning by switching your account. 2. Earn cash by switching banks. The introduction of the current account switch service has made it easier than ever to change bank accounts, as banks now do much of the work for you. Some banks will pay you cash or vouchers worth up to £175 to switch your current account. 3. Sell your stuff online. One person's trash is another person's treasure. So if you've got any unwanted items lying around, don't just throw them out. Gumtree and Pre-Loved and, more recently, Facebook Marketplace are some of the biggest sites where you can advertise items you want to sell, complete with images and descriptions for free. 4. Rent out the stuff you own. It's also possible to make money by renting your stuff out rather than selling it by using sites like Rent Not Buy or Fatalama. Vehicles, evening dresses, cameras and household tools are among the most commonly rented items on these sites, and you can set the price and length of time you are willing to lend your items for. 5. Rent out your home. You could earn hundreds of pounds a day by renting out your home to TV production companies. Registration is usually free, although you may have to pay a commission of the total location hire fee. Check out Amazing Space, Beach Studios and Location Works for information and to register your home. 6. Make money from your driveway. Your driveway can also help you earn extra money in the new year. Listing your driveway or garage on sites such as Just Park in your parking space could earn you cash from motorists searching for a cheaper or guaranteed spot. 7. Test products for cash. If you're interested in testing new products before they are launched, from food to the latest technology, you can get paid for giving your opinion on them. There are a number of websites online that you can sign up to, including paid product testing. 8. Pick up odd jobs. Lots of online sites can help you make money from your skills in your spare time. If you're a dab hand at DIY, for example, you could become a tasker using TaskRabbit. You can also use Fiverr or FiveSquids to offer a service such as graphic design skills that you can provide online. 9. Get paid to browse the web. If you're a regular online surfer, you could get paid to click on adverts, visit websites, and open emails using websites such as Qme and Inboxbounds. Qme, for example, pays you when you search online. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck.